Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download sticker templates from Sticker Mule, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in stickermule.com and press enter. Once the Sticker Mule homepage loads, look for the templates section in the menu. Click on the templates option to access the available sticker templates. You will see a range of template categories offered. Choose the category that fits your needs, such as die-cut stickers, bumper stickers, or any other. Click on the category to view specific templates. Scan through the options available and select a template that you would like to download. When you click on a template, you'll see details and specifications. Locate the download button, usually found near the template information. Click on the download button to begin the downloading process. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer where you would like to save the template. Click Save to store the file on your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the downloaded template using a graphic design program of your choice. Ensure the template meets your design requirements before starting your project. Now you're ready to create your customized stickers using the downloaded template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.